My name is Ishara. Welcome to my science club. Today, let's go to our plant. Today it's day Dalawa.
What's that? Day 2. Awesome. So what are we doing today?
Checking our plants again.
So we're checking on our seedlings?
Yeah.
All right. So what are we going to check for?
Sunlight. There's some sunlight.
Okay, so I guess we should check that box.
I have a marker.
Okay.
It's pink because I like.
Do they have water? Let's check inside.
These.
Oh yeah, they look pretty moist. Ooh, what's happening in there?
Did you see those little white things look like little wormies?
Yeah.
Wiggle.
Are they starting to grow?
Yes. Let's check the other one. Let's check B.
Okay, let's check B.
Let's check.
There we go.
Look.
Yep, looks pretty moist.
And do you see the worms?
It does look like worms. What are those?
Roots.
Oh, they're starting to sprout little rooty roots. That's so cool. This one looks like it has a little leaf coming in. Right there. Do you see it?
And the bees winning.
It looks like B is winning.
Yeah.
Let's check the paper again really closely and see if we don't see anything there. What do you say?
Look.
Okay, let's do it. Let's take close inspection.
Yeah, I know what go. Stop.
Oh, you saw something?
Yes.
Nothing green yet.
Stop. I see something.
I do see something, but I think that B is doing a lot better. So A is, yeah, because there's one right
Where?
there. But I think the dirt's just doing a little bit better, but they're both growing. This is awesome.
Can I check?
I think you can.
I want to check water.
Yeah, definitely has water. Definitely has growth. So on day 2, we have growth.
Hi friends. Today, Tressie.
What's Tressie?
That I just read that word. Today it's. Let me say it the right way. I made that word up.
Okay.
Today it's day Tress.
Ooh, day Tress.
And that means free and ready.
Oh, cool. So today's day 3 of our seed growing experiment. So, what should we do?
Let's, Mama.
Yes.
Can we do a review for our friends, please, Mama?
Okay, let's do a review. So let's talk about what we saw on day 1. Or what did we do? What did we do on day 1? What did we do?
We planted our seeds, then we give them water, and then plant our seeds again, and then they grow, and then today.
Okay, so that was day 1. We planted them on dirt or a paper towel. Yes? Is that correct? All right, so that was day 1. What happened on day 2?
Swarmy.
We saw what?
Wormy.
We saw those little things coming out of the seeds that look like little, you called them wormies?
Yeah, I called
What
them
were those things though? What are they actually though?
roots.
Yeah, they're baby roots. They're also known as?
Radicals.
Yeah, they're radicals. Okay, so that was day 2. All right, so now here we are at day 3.
A day free. Today they're turning into plants.
Yeah, so let's take a look at our day 3 results. Should we start with A first?
Yes.
All right, let's pull A into view here. All right, let's go A. Wait, you're up.
You're up, A.
All right. get a closer look.
Can I see on your phone?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. What are those green things?
Those look
Like what?
like the beginnings of baby leaves.
Let's see B.
Do you know what that's called?
Yes.
What's it called?
Baby leaves.
Yeah, but the proper scientific way to say it.
Cotyledon.
Yeah. All right. And I also see, wait, there's also something else there. For example, look at this guy right here. See that one right there? He looks like a hypocotyl.
What's a hypocotyl?
He still has his seed coat on him.
Why?
Yeah.
Where's the seed coat?
That little brown stuff that the seed started with. See those little ones right there?
Yeah, those
Yeah.
are seed coats.
That's right. So you've got a mixture in this, in the stuff on the paper towel.
see
You're
something?
growing great.
It's the same thing like
Oh! These are growing a lot faster, Ishara. I think you were right. I think that the dearth is, because look at those. Cotyledons.
Cotyledon.
Baby leaves. You see little baby leaves.
But
A had some too, but not as much as this one. These are growing a lot faster. Like, I still see some with their seed coats on. See, look right there. See, it still has its seed coat on. Wow, this is so cool, Ishara.
I think B's winning.
I think B's winning too.
I think A's.
A's doing great considering it's on a paper towel.
And it's both of us got more winning.
Yeah, let's go to our data. Okay, so do we have any sun?
No.
No sun. Okay. There's no sun today. No sun. Okay.
But we had some water.
Yes, we did have water, so we can put a check on that.
Water for both.
Supposed to grow? Definitely.
Hi, friend. I'm so happy.
Why are you happy?
Look, we're having to our babies.
Wow!
Seedlings. I'm feeling that cuteness.
You are feeling the cuteness. Let's pull in closer and see. Are you gonna explain what we're seeing here, Ishara?
I see some with seed coats and some with not.
And I even see some wormies. Wormies.
Where's the wormies?
Look, you call them wormies, but they're really, what are their real names?
Roots.
They're baby roots, yeah. They're also known as what?
Radicals.
Yeah, they're radicals. This is so awesome.
Do you know what are radicals?
What are radicals?
Those things that you said, wormies. Baby worms.
They're baby roots. They're starting to grow. There is just growth and life everywhere in this container.
Stay fun. Let's see, look at B. Look what happened to B.
Holy macaroni! That's amazing!
That's the A.
Okay. It was, wow, it is doing well. It's doing a lot better. Of course, B is winning, but look at what we discovered. We can grow chia seeds on a paper towel.
It looks like B1, and my hypothesis is right.
All right, say bye-bye, friends.
Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye.